This may be one of my finer modeling moments. My stealth cowling is held on with magnets. Pull this clear tab to remove. You can pick the boat up by the cowling. It's not coming off. Has a tab in the front, and two magnets are backed up by a former. They drop in, so front locks in. When the magnets clamp down, there's a former behind it, so can't back up, so the front tab can't come out. It has to come up and backwards to release. So you pull this clear plastic tab to remove the cowling. Let me show you how to remove the cowling and take a look at how I set the magnets up and the tab on the inside. Pull the back up by the tab, slide it backwards to release it from the front tab. These metal discs are what drop in front of this former. Here are the magnets. They're bolted, through bolted on a 1/8 inch plywood cross member. This hole here is for access to get down to my prop saver. I can reach the coupling straight through here still. This tab on the front is wide enough to where it centers up between the lips. And these metal plates are on another, bolted on another cross member, 1/8 inch plywood cross member. It's epoxied in between the sides of the cowling. I ground these slots in here because if I didn't do that, once you drop these magnets in, you would never be able to get the screws out if you had to replace something or tighten something up if it got loose. With these slots, I can get under these magnets, pry them out if I need to tighten a screw or for any reason need to replace anything. It just occurred to me that pocket, if I would have screwed this to the 1/8 inch plywood former, drop that in, if the wood shrunk, any reason it came loose, there'd be no way you would get this magnet out of here. It's just too strong. Grinding this slot inside, let me get in there with a screwdriver. So how cool is that? Don't have to tape this on. You know I hate tape. Boom, drops in there. That is, can't back up. It's not coming up. Has to come up and back up to release from the front tab. Just go like that. Pop the magnets free. Back it up to release. Once it comes up, it comes right out. Self-aligning, just pulls it right down. Nice. Drop it on, throw it in water. Good to go.